What's going on today?
Cutting a hole in the hood.
Oh,
Yeah.
not this priceless hood.
I could run a... Yeah, this hood's not that great.
No, it's got some
I've never
rust
cut
there.
a hole in a hood, so I figured this is a good practice hood. So, what I did was, I opened the hood, and I had the, you know, the bolt coming out of the carburetor for the air cleaner. And I picked 2 points and measured over to it. And I just marked them with a Sharpie. I put a little dot so I could measure out the same points. I closed the hood and brought it across, measured the same points, and I was really close. So then I
Close enough to see how far off you were.
Yeah, I took my flashlight, I put it in there, and then I peeked it down the hole, and I saw how far off I was, and then I re-drilled another hole. And that was my perfect center with the pin. So now we're cutting. Cutting with a
And then you just took the lid off the air cleaner to draw a circle on the hoods. That's what you're gonna cut.
Exactly. Yep, I took a Sharpie.
You're gonna use the bad dog biter.
And I gave it about a ½ an inch all the way around the air cleaner so that hopefully when the hood closes, it just closes, you know, it doesn't hit it. It just closes and then centers out nice.
Yeah.
Closed. So we'll see. It's a practice session. Eventually I'm going to get a fiberglass hood for this car anyways, so. Yeah.
Well, don't let me hold you up. The old bad dog biter works pretty good, don't it?
Oh yeah, Nibbler's great. You get a little squirrely, but I'm gonna get. I'm just gonna take some rubber hose and split it. Actually, I think I've got.
I can get some loom and do that.
I've got the right trim for it. I got leftover from Mark's wheel wells.
Oh,
they're like a U shape.
It's got that U shape cut.
Yeah, it's got a little sticky tape to it too.
Ah. So, looks like the little bad dog biter did great up until, you probably can't see this on the film, but, oh, there we go. We got webbing. We got the webbing of the hood. And this is offset. I'm looking at it thinking, man, you're way off center of that webbing, but that's where the motor is, off center of that whole thing.
Yeah. Yeah, they're off to the passenger side quite a bit.
Well, that's awesome.
Not centered.
All right, so sawzall from here, huh?
Yep. Got that flap.
Oh, yeah.
Level it out just a hair, you know? No, not that way. Yep, that way.
Yikes.
Yeah.
Ooh, you got a hole in your hood.
Yeah, that's there. So, learned a couple things. You definitely don't want to hit, you know, the motor or the cowl.
No.
So I avoided that with this block to start, and I got around it really well. And then I got even more nervous and just opened the hood all the way.
Yeah.
I thought that was a good idea.
Yeah. Well,
So
what
then
you know.
I put this, you know, cardboard just to protect. I don't want a bunch of metal filings and everything.
No, that's for sure.
Yeah. So got it mostly shielded away. Pretty good. So I'm gonna put the air cleaner on and see what. See how crazy it is there.
Ooh, put it down, see what this one looks like.
Yeah. That's not bad.
It looks pretty centered up, don't it?
Pretty centered, yeah. So.
Yeah, it looks pretty centered up. Could just leave that one there.
This is great. I could tune my car without even popping the hood. There we go.
Ooh, yeah. Well, you could set the floats anyway. Actually, you could do everything. You could reach in there. You could turn it, little jets, whatever.
Turn the distributor.
Awesome.
Yep.
Hey,
Yeah.
that looks pretty cool.
I think it's cool.
That's not too high either.
No. So I gotta trim this guy and then get that grommet stuff around the jagged edge. I might file that a little. But the important thing when you're doing something this crazy
The hood clears.
is that the hood clears, which looks like a ½ inch if you take the air cleaner top and...
That'll be like a shaker.
Yeah, it will. It should
It'll
move.
shake with the motor.
Yeah.
So what you ought to do is extend this, put a little rubbery flag up there and let it wiggle around.
Yeah, exactly.
No,
Got
huh?
the best ideas.
Why my ideas always get shot down.
Yeah. Mostly, I just wanted more air. And Eddie gave me this awesome air cleaner off his like street stock. Yeah, he had it left over from in the 90s. Boom.
So that rust is well earned.
I think so.
I love it.
Oh, maybe that's something else we got, but the air cleaner, the element itself.
Oh, the element, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so really the rust could be from the 80s.
Yep.
I think it looks great.
I think it matches the patina of everything else pretty well. Because that's what we're calling it, patina.
Yeah, it's patina. Patina. Oh, that's cool.
I know, I might never put a scoop on it.
Why would you? I think it's perfect the way it is.
Yeah.
You never take it. It's never out in the rain. I mean.
No, not really. Of course, I don't.
And even if you had
I don't think it'd be a big deal. I don't. Could drive it in the. I think you could drive that through the rain. It wouldn't be a big deal.
No, it's a paper element. Probably wouldn't be great.
No, it's not. It's like a K&N, I think.
But the element behind it. Oh, it's a K&N.
Yeah, it's a cleanable.
Oh.
Why do you think I'm so excited about it?
Oh, I was wondering why. Oh, okay. Well, that's you can rewash it and
you
reuse
can wash
it.
It's
So rain won't kill it.
Yeah, I mean, he used it on a dirt track car, so
Actually, it'd just be like,
it'd be cleaning it.
yeah,
should drive
hillbilly water injection.
Yeah, exactly. Keep it cold.
In fact, you could do water injection. Just put a little sprayer up here on the hood and squirt water in it as you're going.
Yep.
That used to be a thing back in the day, water injection. I like it.